Hi everyone, Timotheus here, and today we're diving into a topic that has changed the game for many: passive income. Imagine earning money while catching those Z's or jet setting across the globe. Sounds too good to be true. Well, it's not. Today we're delving into an introduction to passive income, how to earn money while you sleep. Passive income, in a nutshell, is money that flows into your bank account without the need for constant active involvement. It's different from your typical 9 to 5 grind because you put in the effort upfront and then the money keeps rolling in whether you're working or not. Now let's explore some real world examples. Creating passive income can involve ventures into writing, podcasting, creating videos, or even developing software. On the flip side, investing in dividends, interest, rent, or royalties is another avenue. It's about finding what aligns with your skills and interests. Why bother with passive income, you may ask? Well, it's your ticket to financial freedom, allowing you to live life on your own terms. It helps diversify your income streams, giving you stability and reducing risk. Plus, it grants you the luxury of time and flexibility, paving the way for a more balanced and harmonious life. But how do you kickstart this journey? First things first, define your goals. What are you looking to achieve with your passive income? Next, choose your sources wisely, whether it's creating or investing. Find what aligns with your goals, skills, and passions. Finally, take action. Turn those dreams into reality. In conclusion, passive income isn't a get rich quick scheme. It's a journey that takes time, effort, and strategy. It's about finding the right balance and creating opportunities for yourself. If you are interested in exploring affiliate marketing, I've got a special offer for you. Check the link in the description below. And there you have it, folks. An introduction to passive income and the roadmap to kickstarting your journey. If you've got questions or thoughts, drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to your happy passive income journey. I wish you good health, wealth, and success.